Welcome to Important Documents Module 7, Replacing Lost or Stolen Documents. There may come a time when you need to replace an important document. It may have been lost or misplaced or even stolen. It is important to know the steps for reporting lost or stolen documents and replacing them. If you lost your birth certificate, don't fret. The process for replacing this vital record is rather straightforward if you know where you were born. If you were born in the United States, you can contact the Vital Records Office in the state or territory where you were born to get a certified copy. You can go on the CDC's website to find out how much the replacement fee is and how to contact the office that has your records. In most cases, you'll be required to fill out an application and provide some form of photo identification, such as a school ID or driver's license. If you were born in a foreign country to American parents, your birth certificate would be registered with the U.S. Embassy or Consulate of the respective country. In this case, your parents would have received a Consular Report of Birth Abroad, or CRBA, which serves as proof that you acquired U.S. citizenship at birth. Although the document is slightly different, it is the equivalent to a birth certificate. To get a copy of your CRBA, you'll need to send a request to the U.S. Department of State. As part of your adoption, naturalization or citizenship papers were provided as proof of U.S. citizenship, which serves the same purpose as a birth certificate. To replace a naturalization or citizenship document, you'll need to submit an online application to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. If you lose your card and need a replacement, you can complete an application online or in person at any Social Security office. To fill out your application online, the easiest way is to create a free My Social Security account. Whether you're applying for a replacement card in person or online, you'll need to present one document to prove your identity, preferably a passport or driver's license. However, if you don't have either of those, another form of identification like a school or employee ID card or a health insurance card will work as well. Although it is very simple to replace your Social Security card, it isn't something you'll want to make a habit out of. Public Law 108-458 states that an individual may only receive up to 3 replacement cards per calendar year and 10 in your whole lifetime. However, legal name changes and other exceptions do not count towards these limits. If your passport has been lost or stolen, it is crucial that you make a report to protect yourself from identity theft. The form for reporting a lost or stolen passport is called Form DS-64. If your driver's license is stolen or misplaced, don't despair. Typically, you will need to complete a replacement license application form. This is a simple form that asks for basic information like your birthday and address, as well as your driver's license number and Social Security number. Also, be prepared to pay a $15 to $30 fee that is usually associated with the application. Once you've completed your application online or in person and paid the fee, all you must do is wait for your replacement license to arrive in the mail. In the meantime, you'll either be given a temporary license or you could print one out if you applied online. In conclusion, to replace documents, you will need to fill out forms and prove your identity. It is important to report stolen and lost documents for your security. and there may be fees associated with replacing lost or stolen documents.